everyone, welcome to Munich. We are right now here at the BMW Group Design Studio where some of the best automobile innovations were born, and I'm so excited to be here because BMW has some great news for you, including the launch of the new BMW concept i4.
Ladies and gentlemen, the concept i4. This four-door BMW Grand Coupe is fully electric and just as fascinating as fast as it looks. It is also suited to long distances with an electric range of up to 600 kilometers, according to WLTP. Powered by our fifth generation BMW eDrive technology, it has a very slim battery with optimum energy density. And moreover, the development and production of the eDrive is done in-house as well as battery cell research. The eDrive offers a thrilling peak performance of up to 530 horsepower. And we will not use any rare earth in the electric motor as well. All of this shows that we are fully committed to climate protection. And I can assure you and our customers, we will fulfill the tough European CO2 regulations for 2020 and also 2021. This year alone, we will reduce our European fleet target by around 20%. And I can promise you, our customers will never have to compromise between driving pleasure and sustainable mobility. Every BMW will drive like a true BMW. The BMW i4 will definitely be proof of that. We will build this great car right here in Munich, and I can tell you this: the design you see here is quite close to the actual series car coming next year. And now, Adrian von Hooydonk, our famous head of BMW Group Design, will give you all the details. Thank you.
Thank you, Oliver. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone here in Munich and watching around the world. With BMW i, we have pioneered a new type of mobility and created a new and cleaner form language fitting to zero-emission mobility. Now, with Concept i4, that zero-emission mobility hits the core of the BMW brand. The i4 design is strong, sexy, and modern. The vertical grille and very slim headlamps give the car a strong and confident look. The silhouette is extremely elegant and dynamic. It is hard to believe that there's actually a battery underneath the floor. The body side is clean and crisp, only one defining line and well-integrated door handles. The design of the wheels is lightweight and aerodynamic to improve the car's efficiency. And in the rear, we have very slim tail lamps and a diffuser that improves aerodynamics and could become a new and iconic element across our vehicle range. Now in the interior, we have some really big news. We have reinterpreted the BMW typical cockpit layout in a very clean and modern way. You now find a curved touchscreen enveloping the driver. Combined with our head-up display technology and our natural interaction user interface, it brings BMW driver orientation into the digital age. As you know, BMW is all about a highly emotional driving experience. And an important part of that is sound, giving the driver direct feedback to his or her inputs. BMW Design is cooperating with Hans Zimmer to create some truly iconic and modern soundtracks for our vehicles. Hans Zimmer is well known for his film music, and as a multiple Grammy and Academy Award winner, he is a great source of inspiration for us at this crucial moment in time in which mobility is redefined. So now, let's watch a short movie and hear what the future sounds like.